Hey guys, we was just sitting here and God spoke to me, and this is what he spoke to me about. This is a season where God is preparing your table in the presence of your enemies. Listen, God will not prepare your table according to Psalms 23. God will never prepare your table if you don't have enemies. Why? Because your enemies promote you. Your enemies elevate you. If you do not have enemies, then why would God promote you? Do you understand that Judas promoted Jesus to the cross? But when he promoted him to the cross, my friend, let me tell you something. He's seeing glory now. See, God's not going to pull you backwards. He's supposed to pull you forward. That's why the heat's up. That's why the enemy is on every side. That's why the heat is turned up. Because God is getting ready to bless you in the presence of your enemies. Who's your enemy? Satan. You ever thought about that? Listen, type down at the bottom, if you believe this word, type enemy. Follow us up top for more.